We are here with the Invenio PRO, one of the best detectors in the world. In this video, after briefly introducing the Invenio PRO, we will head to the ruins of a fortress built during the Byzantine era, which was used to hold prisoners and captives until relatively recent times. We will search the fortress, trying to find traces that will take us back in time. Invenio PRO is the first and only detector in the world capable of using artificial intelligence, thanks to its software embedded in the operating system. With artificial intelligence, it displays the shape, size, and depth of the detected target as a three-dimensional signal graph on the screen. A motion sensor is included as auxiliary hardware for target detection. Thanks to the motion sensor, all movements of the search coil and the area being scanned can be monitored on the screen in real time. Other features and hardware of the Invenio PRO include 6 different search modes for detecting various ground types and cavities, advanced settings tailored to each mode, 2 different search screens allowing you to search with or without the motion sensor, 3 different search coils for surface and single coin searches, general searches, and deep targets, with an interface that can be set in 17 languages and accessories that make it easy to carry and use comfortably. Invenio PRO offers the best user experience. I finished assembling the device to head to the place where I'll be searching. The system box and search coil of the Invenio PRO communicate wirelessly, providing a comfortable searching experience. It can also be used hands-free with its carrying case and neck strap. Let's go to the castle ruins and start searching to find traces of the past. I have detected a target here. I'm starting the scanning process to see the shape, depth, and size of the target. I've completed the scanning process. On the screen, we can see the target's ID value and depth along with a 2-dimensional graphic. This is the area where I started scanning. And this is where I finished. I'm opening the 3-dimensional graphic display. On the screen, you can see the dimensions of the area I scanned, as well as the dimensions of the target within that area. I'm rotating the display from different angles to examine it. Let's remove the target we detected and compare it with the data on the results screen. The target we've detected and that I've removed appears to be a shackle. One of those shackles that were put on prisoners' feet. I removed it from a depth of approximately 50 to 55 centimeters. With Invenio PRO, by going back in time, we've obtained evidence that tells the story of what happened here.